Hello everyone, welcome to another shoe review of one of my pairs of shoes. This is not Fluvox. These are a brand that I can't remember except that they're now defunct, and I got them before they went bust, and here they are inside of them. Yes, they're Pikes, winklepickers, goth boots, however you want to call them. They are, I've had them resoled because they were a leather sole and they were a bit slippy, so I got new soles put on them, new heels put on them, and you can see I've worn them quite a lot. They have bat buckles through the, which is really cute, 4 bat buckles, and they originally didn't have lacing in the middle, but I took them to, well, hubby took them to a cobbler and got eyelets put in so that they could now be laced up as well, because that just gives them more sturdy security. So you can see, we get out there, they haven't got a massive shape to the ankle, they're just pretty much straight up and down. They are leather and they are lined in leather as well. I can't remember what size they are. I don't think they even have the sizing on them. No, nothing on the tongue. Nothing anywhere. Have a look inside them. You can see that there's nothing inside them. So they are actually really comfortable. I think they're a 41, to be honest, to like a 7.5 size shoe. So with winklepickers, they have, winklepickers are nice and pointy, and you can see where my toe ends and where the point goes. There's the bend of my thing, but the leather is soft, but it's still sturdy. It's a sturdy leather. It hasn't cracked or broken or anything like that. Emily Boo did a wonderful review, an anti-haul on Doc Martens and how their quality have now declined, and I'll reference the video in my comments below. But these are soft, but they're still really thick, so they feel like they're going to last quite a while. I would say they're not probably an all day, every day, walking all day on your feet type of shoe, just because of the point of them. They are quite compressive to the toes, shall we say. So you've got to make sure your toenails are trimmed nice and short, because otherwise they will cut your little toes to ribbons, and I'm speaking from experience. So let me get them out and I'll show you what they look like. There they are, and I had the receipt inside the box, and they're from the Gothic Shoe Company, which, as I said, has gone defunct. They don't exist anymore. So there they are. The hardware is pretty good. It feels really sturdy. They took ages to come, but that was, I think, one of the problems that the company had, is that they were very slow in their manufacturing. But these are good quality. You know, I didn't mind that they took quite a while. You've got a solid heel piece, like an extra piece of there. I don't know if they have a last in them. I think they do, just from the sturdiness of them. That's what they look like from the back. And that's what they look like from the other front or side. Other front, other side. I like the noise. So let me put them on and I'll show you what they look like. One of the issues that these had was that the tongues were stitched on an angle. So you can see here how there's a bit of an overlap flap, and if I get rid of that, it is on a funny angle here. So that was another reason why we put the laces in, to try and keep that, because we put a little strap in there. But there you can see what the laces look like before I put the buckles on. And here they are on. So they go up to the calf. They're quite, I don't think they look too big. They look really quite comfortable. And they are actually quite comfortable. There. Oh, oh, oh. There they go. That's what they look like on. You can see they're not got the whole wasted ankle to the extreme that, say, a Fluvog pair have, but they still have a little bit of an ankle shape. And it's all about the buckles, to be honest, and the pointiness of the shoe. So there are my leather winklepicker pikes. Yeah, what do you think? Classic staple for the goth community. They are, basically. I have some others. I have red ones and I have purple ones that are Chelsea's and lace-ups. So I've got all three main colours that I wear covered. So, but these are the black ones. So there we go. Hopefully I'll see you again next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you've got a colour that you might like me to do. I might even have them in my wardrobe. And yeah, I'll talk to you all soon. Okay, everyone. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye.